Hello, class. We like we've been talking about in class in our shapes in the natural world in our class grade 1. We will be talking about identifying those shapes in the real world. Now, in order to do this, together we're going to analyze the shapes of this picture. Now, you already know that there's four basic shapes. There is the rectangle, circle, square, and triangle. So now we're going to see how these shapes are present within the picture itself. So first, we're just going to start by outlining some basic shapes. Like initially, one I see right now is this is half a circle, or rather, half an oval. And like we said in class, an oval is a circle that's not equal on all sides, like a triangle, like a rectangle to a square. So basically, we can already identify that this is half an oval. Now, if we move on, we can see some more shapes, like this tree trunk over here. That's a cylinder, which is a circle combined with a rectangle. Let's just get rid of that. Now you can see that there's a circle. It's a circle on top of that rectangle. So let's just do that. Now if we move on, we can find more shapes like these tree trunks, just like the stump. Those are rectangles. But you can see the leaves. The leaves make shapes themselves. Like up here, you can already see an upside down triangle. So let's just flip this around. It's an upside down triangle. So first, let's flip the triangle upside down. And already you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Now it's important when you're analyzing shapes that you use general, because not all these shapes are specific. However, just by outlining them, they allow us to move on to the other steps of art. Now, let's analyze one more shape, and the shape I would like to analyze is one of the more complex shapes we've been talking about in class, a parallelogram. And you can see that right here in the bench. Now, as we've talked about in parallelogram, it's a slanted triangle or square that's on an angle. And you can kind of see there's several parallelograms in the specific bench. Now beyond that, I think that will be good for now. We'll talk more about this in class. Thank you for watching. I am Mr. Lee. Enjoy the world.